Now, like she is using it, my daughter is using it, and once, like after sleeping, we fold it back and then we use that space to do some kind of a drawing and all those things. We sit together and we do, and a lot of our friends come over, and so we make use of that space quite well.
So personally, I remember when my grandfather, late grandfather, he used to put me to sleep in this room when he used to sing lullabies. So I remember watching videos of those times, and I really miss him. So like I feel like that is a very fond memory of this place. And I also feel there's a video of me jumping around on my bed. I even have a vivid memory of me jumping around on the bed, and I had very fun bed sheets back then. So like that time of me playing on the bed and just enjoying was really happy for me. I also have a memory of when my great grandmother had visited here. So previously it was a guest room. And when my great grandmother had come here, she had a very amazing talent for playing the veena. So I remember me sitting next to her and her playing it and showing me how it worked. I mean, it was nice to see her also being nostalgic of her days playing it. So I think this room has really built those memories for me.
As a guest room, I think, of course, during the night the bed can come out and you can use